Hi everyone, I am Sreepriya, Assistant Professor, Department of English. Today, let's discuss a learner-centric approach which is quite popular among the Gen Zs. And the approach is none other than micro-learning, a revolutionary approach to education designed for students navigating the digital age. So now let's master the skill of micro-learning, the engineering of learner-centric approach. So in the time it took for you to click play on this particular video, the world generated 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. As engineering students, you aren't just fighting for grades, you are fighting for attention as well. Today, let's hack your brain's architecture. I am talking about micro-learning. So what exactly is micro-learning? Let's look into the concept. Micro-learning isn't just a short video. It's a holistic learning strategy where we break complex concepts into small, logically complete units. In micro-learning, the duration can be from 2 to 7 minutes per learning module. The goal here we focus is only on one specific goal, which is measurable learning outcome. And in terms of format, we have interactive, mobile-friendly, and just in time, which means you learn it exactly when you need to apply it. So let's see how the debunking the goldfish myth is and the filter reality. There is a common myth that goldfish have a 3-second memory, which is false. Similarly, people say Gen Z has a short attention span. That is again a myth. You actually have an 8-second BS filter. You decide in 8 seconds if content is worth your time or not. Microlearning respects that filter by delivering the bottom line up front. In this particular concept, bottom line up front means it's actually a communication principle used in military or a business setting. Here in microlearning, it means delivering the most critical conclusion or a key takeaway, or it can be an action item at the very beginning of a short training module before you provide any sort of supporting materials. Micro teaching versus micro learning. Let's see how they differ. Many teachers confuse these two concepts. Let's clear the air. Micro teaching is a training technique for teachers. It is a practice session where a teacher records themselves to improve their delivery. The focus here is primarily on improving the instructional quality of the teachers. And the audience, mostly, it is teacher themselves. Microlearning, on the other hand, is a strategy for the learner. It's the final product you consume on your phone or maybe any mobile device to master a particular skill. Focus is mastering a specific skill efficiently, and audience, they are students seeking just-in-time knowledge. Now let's take an example and see how this micro teaching and micro learning are. So if, say for example, I am practicing how to explain Ohm's law better, and I am doing micro teaching there. But on the other hand, if you are watching a 3-minute interactive video on how to calculate voltage drop in a specific circuit while you are in the lab, at that time it is micro learning. So why is micro learning a standard for engineering students? Let's see, there are 3 main points here. First one is cognitive load. Your brains are already processing a lot many things at the same time. You are learning Python, calculus, physics, and so many other things. So micro-learning prevents burnout by offering bite-sized wins. Second one, multitasking culture. You learn while commuting between 2 labs, or maybe you will stay late at night at 2 a.m. and then study. Micro-learning fits into that white space of your day. Third point is enhanced retention. Engineering is more about efficiency, and microlearning is the most efficient API for your brain. It uses spaced repetition, wherein small bursts of information, just like packets, they are being sticked better than a 3-hour marathon lecture. See here in this particular slide, you can see the 80% the retention is more, and then 3.5. 3 to 5. Between that, you will be able to, whenever you get a free time, you watch in such micro-learning related, such short videos, and it says that scientifically it's proven that 80% retention is higher in terms of micro-learning. So let's do a quick recap now. Microlearning is the atomic habit of education. It is personalized, fast, and designed for your digital lifestyle. I have defined it and also separated it from micro teaching, and we have seen how it works as a digital first methodology. Microlearning represents the future of engineering education. It is efficient, effective, and engineered specifically for your generation's unique strengths and learning preferences. I hope the concept of microlearning is clear to you all. I've prepared this PPT using Gamma AI. Thank you.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe VNR Digital Learning Resource YouTube channel.